Alright, we have found our last waterfall of the day. Well, till the next time we come. This is Wrights Creek.
Right.
That's what I said. Wrights.
Sounded like you said white.
Wrights Creek waterfall.
That's pretty neat.
That's what I'm talking about. Look on up, y'all. There's another one on up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and then it goes on up. It comes through the rock. Check it out.
Wow. Pretty awesome.
That cut way up yonder to down to the lake. This is the best. Joel says he don't know if this is the best or not.